Do you have something named for your subscribers?
만들어야지.
없어요.
안녕. So today we're going to be talking about 한글날. 한글날 뭐야?
Free October 9th.
Ooh.
It's 한글날. So it is the special day for the made of Hangul.
Great. Hangeul. What is Hangeul? Hangeul is the Korean alphabet that was created by during King Sejong's reign.
Right?
So that's why he's called 대왕 King Sejong.
We called it 세종대왕.
세종대왕.
Yeah.
Oh, I switched it. Apparently, Chinese, it was originally Chinese, Hanja, but language and the sound of the alphabets were very different, so a lot of people did not understand each other and couldn't help each other get access to like the educational books. Thus, Hangeul was created.
You're better than me.
So in English,
Yeah.
we have the ABCD song. Is there a Kannada song?
Not really. I don't know.
Really?
Yeah. You know something?
I heard something in a musical.
What's that? Can you
I
sing?
cannot sing. We need to create a Kannada song.
Yeah.
Wait, what is the alphabet? Can you see the alphabet?
가나다라 마바사 아자차카타파하.
Unlike other Asian languages that are based on sound, Korean is character based.
Yeah.
So each alphabet is a character. So ga is actually it's not ga. Giga,
Giga.
giga, giga, digit,
니은.
nian, digit.
디귿.
Okay. I knew one is the good. So I only know it as G and D. Okay, they are all characters. So they are all characters. So it's easy for people to like foreigners especially to learn it. So I learned the transliteration version first. So when I came to school here to learn Korean,
Yeah.
and they're like Canada, I was like Canada. Shameful times.
Wow.
Times. I was like, why are you talking about Canada? Like my teacher was like, oh, Titi, Canada 아세요? I was like, yeah, I know Canada.
아, 이거 진짜 웃기다.
So anyway, so today we're gonna also, why do I have her here with me? Is because we're gonna try and create Nigerian names in Hangul.
Oh.
Because I think it's impossible to do it, but she's very optimistic.
Yes.
So we're gonna search for random Nigerian names on the internet, and yeah, and let's see where this goes.
Okay.
So let's try. First one.
Google.
Okay. Abiodun.
어, 아비오도.
Abiodun. Abiodun.
Actually,
Abiodun.
in Korea, there's no intonation like.
Right. Yes.
Yeah.
Because even in Nigerian languages, we have like accents on top. So like oko, oko, oko.
Wow.
That's Yoruba. All the Yoruba people are laughing. Yeah. So this is how you write it.
Yeah.
Abiodun. So the dung
Yeah.
gets an extra G. Interesting. Okay, I'm gonna try one more because I just feel like Yoruba names will be more tricky. Okay, Okpeolua.
It's quite difficult. What? Can you say?
Okpe. Okpe.
빼.
Olua.
올루와. 빼. 올루와.
오, 이거 오빠 아니야?
No, 오빠 is 오.
아,
오빠. You say 빼.
okpe.
빼 올루와.
Oh, what about if it's Ife Olua? Ife because there's no F in
Yeah.
Korean alphabet. So
Maybe
fe.
fe.
Ooh.
Fe.
이fe.
이fe 올라와.
Wow. Oh, I'm learning.
음.
I'm learning. I would have never thought. I would have thought like 이렇게. 이fe.
아.
So why is it this way and not this way?
It sounds like more fe. Fo e fe.
Mm. Okay. I really don't want to mess up any names because I'm not the greatest. Okay, let's try this one. Okay. 네 안마까. 네 안마까.
어? 네 아마까?
네
네
안마까.
네 아마까.
네 안마까.
네 아마까.
카.
까까 할 때 까.
카 아니고?
네 아마카?
네 안마.
아, 카.
이렇게도 되지.
까. 카. What's the spell of her name?
네 안마까.
카. 아, 카.
That 카.
Yeah.
But the pronunciation.
Is 까?
That's also another way. 생각 안 났네. Okay. Let's do, wait, Igbo, Yoruba. This is a pronouncer name. Hausa. I don't know any typical Hausa names. Almost all Hausa names I know are Muslim names. Yeah, I don't know a typical Hausa name. Okay, let's try. Aziza. Ziza.
지자? 아지자.
그거 아지자 아니야?
아지자.
Aziza.
Z?
There's no Z in Korean alphabet.
Z.
Z. Aziza.
Yeah. 아지자.
I don't trust her. I brought her because I trusted her, but I don't trust her anymore. Okay?
Okay. This is more quite like cute.
Okay.
Cute feeling.
Cute, really?
Yeah.
Are we going for cute fun or the exact thing? Well, you're the Korean, so I'm gonna trust you.
Okay.
But as a Nigerian, I know better.
You don't like it?
No. I don't have to like it.
Yeah.
It's just how it sounds.
Uh.
How it sounds and how I expect it to sound.
I see.
Like the real pronunciation and the Korean
Uh.
way it's been written, I'm like,
Quite confused.
뭔가 안 맞아. Last one.
Okay.
Oh, let's try where I'm from. I am Edo, by the way. I am not Yoruba. The most Edo님 아니고 오공회.
오공해?
오고회. Actually, I don't even think I'm pronouncing that right. Okay, let's go for a name I can pronounce. 노사카리.
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 노사카레.
노사카레. 카레?
카레.
어떻게
노사카레. 어떻게?
I heard it like 노사카리. 노사카리. Can you pronounce again?
노사카레.
노사카레. Then 노가 카.
카토나?
응. 노사카레.
노사카레. Okay.
Is it kind of 카레?
나 인정밖에 없잖아. 나 한국 사람 아니잖아. 그냥 인정.
Yeah.
So, I think this is also the reason why things like bang confuse us.
Yeah. 쌍자음.
산장. Yeah, that's what it is. Double consonants. Which like can translating Korean to English is so hard.
For example, like 짜장면.
짜장면. For me, I say 짜장면.
You can't pronounce
Like
it.
yeah, like if I'm saying do you need 짜장면? 짜장. Or I just pronounce both of them as 짜장면.
짜장면. Especially you say let's go the 빵 가자. It sounds like jail.
감옥빵. 나 감옥빵 먹고 싶어. These are not correct ways to use them. But I think people can have fun with the pronunciations and stuff. Like, so put in the comments, like try to write your name in Korean, what you think it will sound like, and both of us will try and reply.
Of course.
이따 봐.
Bye.